everybody, welcome to GMG Live at 3 o'clock. I'm Alex, of course, and I'm pumped about today, so we're going to get right into it because we have so many new things that I want to go through, and I don't want to take up too much of everybody's time. So if you're joining in, welcome. Come on over. We're going to get started with probably one of my favorite categories, which is gold. I love gold jewelry, and I really love our new gold designs. Like our new Panther collection, like this. I have a Panther ring myself. We have a new collection for the store right here. And this bracelet, like this. Okay. We also have the gold collection like this. This is all done, and these designs are very familiar from other categories. So we have malachite in gold. We have the black onyx in gold. We also have coordinating pieces like the longer chain. We also have some more pieces with the Panther collection here and here with the engravable name bar. So it's really cool. You can stack these pieces. If you want to get a close-up of my own personal necklace, I went with the green because it's my favorite color. I also did the matching bracelet to go with it. And then I pair it with the Panther collection because I also feel like it's my favorite animal when it comes to jewelry design. So I really, really love it. Anyway, these are all brand new pieces, all done in 10 karat gold. We try to stock them, but of course, it's limited. I can only get so many pieces in, so if you have some favorites, you should come check them out. Next, we have a few new pieces from our coveted Hearts on Fire collection. We have everything from the beautiful little station necklaces to your classic diamond pendants, classic diamond earrings, some of my personal favorites that we picked out at the jewelry show, the linear smile necklaces done with different diamond shapes and diamond designs. The Hearts on Fire collection, for those that may not know, these diamonds are the world's most perfectly cut diamonds. Why is that important? When your diamond is perfectly cut, it sparkles like no other. I'm talking like edge to edge brilliance. Even the tiny little small ones, all the way to the great big ones set in the centers, sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. It's all about the cut, and the cut delivers sparkle, and Hearts on Fire delivers that 100% every single time. Okay? Shauna had modeled some of the new ear cuff style earrings earlier in the month. They are fabulous. Okay, next we're going to move over to lots of talk about paper clips, the paper clip trend. I don't even call it a trend, I just call it really good style. And we did definitely, a lot of our designers are touching on that paper clip styling, but doing it a little bit differently. So some of my favorites. This, really beautiful, long. Okay. I love that this is so long because you can wear it one time like this, and you can layer it with your other gold pieces, or you can wrap it around twice and have it as a shorter necklace but tiered all by itself. Love this. For those of you that are a little bit more risky, I've also suggested doing long necklaces like this as a belt. I love it. On a sleek black dress, you're going to a Christmas party, a wedding in the fall, you can take your really long necklace and wear it as a belt. Awesome. The impact is amazing. Okay, so we have this design. Love it. Put it back on here for you to see. Like so. Okay, a few more additions. The paper clip done as a lariat, like this, with just little diamond accents on it. So again, you can wear this to work, you can wear it with a t-shirt and jeans, you can wear this backwards, have this trail down your back, ladies. When you have that open v-neck dress and then you have the necklace trail down your back, oh, so beautiful. I highly recommend trying it one time. Okay, and coordinating bracelets. I love the texture and design that these bracelets have with just a little splash of diamonds. So they're really great for everyday wear. You can wear them, mix them in with your stack, wear them by themselves. really great pieces to add on to your collection. Okay, talking about Michael M. Michael M's designs this year are phenomenal. I'm really excited about a lot of them, especially this new collection here, done in the yellow gold, like so. What a great statement ring. It can be done for an anniversary ring. Ladies, you can treat yourself to something really fabulous, but love this. I also love that long, linear, dangly earrings are in style. But keep in mind that these ones here are jointed at the diamonds. I love that design feature. The reason being is that these earrings have movement. So when you're wearing them and you're talking and walking and moving around, of course I can't do this. Okay, like so. So you're wearing these earrings, and every time you move, it has movement, so it moves with you, and then the diamonds just shimmer. Love these. Okay, we also have them in a few other designs right here. Same kind of idea. And again, have movement sections, so when you're wearing them, they move with you. Love, these are just texture, you guys. These are just textured earrings, just a long textured earring, coordinating rings and stacking stuff all to play together. This is awesome. For those that love the stacking rings, this is like 3 stacking rings all built into one ring. How awesome is that? Okay. And I love that it goes all the way around. Sometimes people are like, oh, I don't need that. You know why it's really cool to have it go all the way around? Is rings like this, they rotate and they move around. So when it does that, it always looks like it's in the perfect position when you're wearing it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. And then a couple of more design elements down here. Okay, so this, again, the long chain link style earrings with the paperclip accent, which matches the lariat necklace that we saw earlier. Okay, ladies, now let's talk about maybe a little bit bolder design. If you like things that have a little bit more of a punch and a little bit more of a statement, these newest paperclip with the diamond accents are absolutely stunning. I feel like the new Michael M collection really hit it out of the ballpark. This is also detachable. Okay, this piece here comes off. So if you want to wear just your paperclip chain, you can wear it just like this. Or if you want to totally jazz it right up, you can add this piece back on, creating like that. Then you can add this piece onto other necklaces too, so you're not just limited to wearing it to this necklace. What a great design feature. Things that are functional, things that you can wear in 1 or 2 or 3 different ways. I absolutely love it. The next thing that's been super popular this year that we seem very trend to move forward is just a nice diamond necklace. So we're going to jump down a few showcases here. Whichever finger really. And talk a little bit about a tennis necklace. Very similar to that of a tennis bracelet where the diamonds go all the way around your wrist, except this time they're going to go all the way around your neck. They're really perfect for layering and stacking. You can get ones that have a little bit of a different design. White or yellow gold, absolutely love it. My very last feature favorite are these earrings by Memoir. I think they're so incredible. 3 different lengths to choose from, and again, excellent movement. So when you wear these, they move with you and they just dazzle and shine. They're really awesome. One of my personal favorites, these ones right here. So many new things happening at GMG Jewelers. Plus we've restocked on all of our gold chains, our gold hoop earrings, really back to the basics. So if you just want to treat yourself to something awesome, or if you need a gift for somebody, we have you covered. Okay, and then for next week, we're going to talk about the new engagement rings that we just got in, and plus for the boys, we got in some new gnome carver wedding bands. They are fantastic, so I'll go through some of the newest features we have there. So that'll be next Thursday on GMG Live. Thank you everybody for joining me today on our little journey through some of our new pieces, and I look forward to seeing you all next week. Bye.